In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email template in HubSpot. Hi everyone. If you want to send consistent, professional emails without rebuilding them every time, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through creating a reusable email template in HubSpot, step by step, and share a few simple tips to make your emails clearer and more effective. First, log into your HubSpot account and head to the main navigation. Go to Marketing, then select Email. This is your starting point for all things email in HubSpot, from newsletters to automated follow-ups. Next, click Create Email. You'll be prompted to choose between regular and automated. Pick regular if you're sending a one-time email like a newsletter or announcement. Choose automated if you want this email to be used inside workflows, such as a welcome series or a post-download follow-up. Selecting the right type here helps ensure your email fits seamlessly into your broader marketing plan. Now, select a template from HubSpot's library or click Start from scratch. The library offers professionally designed layouts you can adapt quickly, which is great if you need a polished structure fast. If you already have a specific design in mind or want complete control, starting from scratch gives you that flexibility. From here, it's time to customize. Begin with a clear, compelling subject line that sets expectations and encourages opens. Keep it concise, avoid spammy language, and make sure it matches the content inside. Then edit your content blocks. Update your text to reflect your message, swap in relevant images, and configure your buttons to point to the right page. Think about your hierarchy. A strong headline, scannable body copy, and a single primary call to action usually work best. Keep branding consistent with your colors, fonts, and logo so your emails feel familiar to your audience. Personalize your message using tokens like first name to make each email feel tailored. For example, greeting your contact by name can improve engagement and build trust. Use personalization thoughtfully so it enhances the message without overwhelming it. When you're happy with the layout and content, click Save as Template. Give it a clear name so you and your team can find it easily later. This saves you time and ensures consistency across future campaigns, whether they're regular broadcasts or automated messages. And that's how you build an email template in HubSpot. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.